Hello guys, what's up? And welcome to this PHP and MySQL video tutorials. And I am Mustafa from FreeSource 13. And in this tutorial, I'm basically going to show you how to make session variables in PHP programming language, and we can use this session to good effect to traverse from one page to another. Okay. And basic functionality of session is that whenever a user logs in or logs out, the session is created or destroyed. Okay, so suppose take an example of facebook.com. Whenever you log in, and the session is created for it, and till the time you log out or till the time you close the browser. Okay, so we will learn basically how to create sessions, and session is a temporary storage that is stored on browser whenever uh, your login is enabled. We can say that. Okay, so let's get started, and we'll just write basic session over here. We'll just, in order to create sessions, we need to use the session underscore start, which is an inbuilt function in PHP language. Okay, so this enables us to start off the session. Okay, and it should be written on the top of the page so that so the browser knows from where to start the session. So if you are making session variables on the top of the page and you're starting the session at the down, then the session won't be created. Okay, so in order to create session variables, we need to use the global variable called as $_session. Okay, and we will give it a name of name equals, for example, I can write over here. Okay, so I have just created a session called as name, and this session is a global array. Okay, because we can create more than one session. Okay, so if you don't know about arrays, you can go ahead and search for it, what are arrays and how to create an array and how to initialize it, all that stuff. So basically session is an array which will hold the value of Mustafa, and the name of the session variable is name. Okay, so this name is a variable, we can say that, and session is an array. Okay, so this session of name is equal to Mustafa. It has been initialized. Okay, and now I'm going to save it with sessions.php. Fine, and I will just create a next page. Okay, and over here I will again start off my session. First I will write my PHP tags. Okay, and I will again start my session over here, session underscore start. Okay, and I will just echo it out, echo $_ of session of name. Okay, so it is a very easy way to check out whether the session has been initialized or not. Okay, already exist. I will let as main1.php. Fine. Okay, and now let's check out in the browser whether it works or not. Okay, so I will just write localhost, and I will just write my directory name, that is projects, and I will just initialize the session. What is the name of the it's sessions.php, and let me write let me write that session initialize, so that we come to know that session has been initialized. Okay, sessions or session, we can say that session initialized. Fine, and I will just save it, and I will just write. So it says that session initialized. Okay, and now again I will go ahead and I will just type projects, and I will write main1.php, and it shows me Mustafa. So look, in this tab I just got session initialized, and in this tab I know that the value from this particular page, that is sessions.php, has been traversed into main1.php. Okay, so this is the basic working of session, that it allows you to pass content from one page to another. Okay, so this is how basic session works, and if you have any doubt about it, then you can contact me, or you can post comments on my YouTube channel. And if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to it, and please like it as well. Encourages me to create more and more video tutorials. Okay, thank you.